Photomanipulation.com is hosting a new contest with prizes. Our theme, I'm very excited, Gothic. The term Gothic opens up a world of creative expression with endless possibilities to explore, which is why I'm so excited. Just imagine being surrounded by the awe-inspiring Gothic architecture, those majestic pointed arches reaching for the sky, holding the weight of history itself. Or just goth, where dark clothes, dramatic makeup, and some bomb music come together to create one of modern history's most distinct subcultures. And of course, my favorite, hauntingly beautiful Gothic paintings where every brushstroke captures intense emotions and supernatural elements, all dripping in delicious, juicy texture and depth. You can find out all the information using the link below, but here's the important stuff. The deadline is January 12th, 11 p.m. EST, that's Eastern Standard Time. You'll want to get your submissions in before then to make 100% sure I see and count them. I cannot promise you stragglers that I'll see your entries if you get them past then. Rules are super simple. Use one or more of the provided resource materials in the pack on the contest information page, free of course. No AI generated images, and that includes stock images. Photoshop's generative fill is allowed in moderation. Please keep in with the spirit of the competition, however, and we might request the winner's PSD to validate, so no one worry about any sneaky cheaters. And submit your entry before January 12th. That's it. You can submit multiple entries, they just have to include at least one or more of those free contest materials. You can enter one of three ways: Instagram, Facebook, or our very new Discord server. Join using the link down below. 2 winners will be chosen, 1 advanced and 1 beginner, so do not be shy. I'll be sorting the entries into their own categories myself because some of you are far too humble to ever call yourselves advanced. However, feel free to let me know in the entry if you consider yourself one or the other, and I will keep it in mind. So go ahead and let your creativity flow in the Gothic world, dripping in a delicious drama. Whether it's captivating portraits or enchanting landscapes and matte paintings, it's all welcomed. Join our new Discord server down below for even more challenges with prizes of their very own, and find the full details of our new bi-monthly contest down below along with it. I can't wait to see all your guys' entries. I'll see you very soon.